certainly. Damper is an iconic Australian bread that's perfect for camping or enjoying the great outdoors. It's simple to make and requires just a few ingredients. Here are a couple of easy damper recipes. 3-ingredient Aussie damper. Ingredients: 3 cups self-raising flour, pinch of salt, 1 cups milk or substitute with water. Instructions: preheat your oven to 180 degrees C, 350 degrees F. Mix the flour and salt in a bowl. Gradually add the milk, stirring until a sticky dough forms. Turn out onto a floured surface and shape into a round loaf. Place the loaf on a baking tray and bake for about 30 minutes or until golden brown. Serve warm with butter or golden syrup. You can also cook it over a campfire. Recipe source: Original Australian Damper Recipe 1. Quick and easy damper. Ingredients: 3 cups self-raising flour, pinch of salt, 80 g chilled butter, cubed, cup warm milk. Instructions: preheat your oven to 200 degrees C, 390 degrees F. Mix the flour and salt in a bowl. Rub in the chilled butter until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. Gradually add the warm milk, stirring until a soft dough forms. Shape the dough into a round loaf and place it on a baking tray. Bake for about 20-25 minutes or until golden. Enjoy with your favorite toppings.